anybody who tries to sneak in late. Oh, you fucking arsehole. You do that every day, I'll bet you. You say thank you? You want to say thank you? No.
Jedź! From the lane, turning left.
I think the roaming didn't cut. Ooh, he's gonna. Honestly, I think this driver's drunk. I've obviously even get a bit of video of this lorry going.
Okay, so make sure you keep a good distance behind.
I am keeping a safe distance behind. This is right. Wobbling all over. Is it meant to wobble?
Pardon?
Are they meant to wobble?
I honestly don't know. I can't see, so I'm not quite sure. Can I take your name, please?
Yeah, K-A-Y. So we're just going on to an on-slip from...
police emergency.
Yeah, hi. So I was talking to one of your colleagues. It's reference to a really dangerous lorry that's swerving out of lane 1 into lane 2. It's Foxtrot Delta 63 Sierra Echo Yankee for about 12 miles from the M4. Just going up to the ring road at Oxford A4144.
Dialed. I think it's yourself that rang in before. Yeah. I just found it. Okay, so we are getting somebody out straight away.
Yeah, so
okay.
Just coming up to the A420 now, but that's near the police.
Okay.
Right, okay, Lawrence all over the road. Okay.
I mean,
just keep.
yeah, I'm still behind it. I mean,
you're still behind him.
Yeah, I'm putting a bit of gap to try and stop. I'm trying to stop car. You know, I'm trying to give a bit. Of a you know. Are you tired?